Racing just is started. We have Viva Andres. Break quickly at the start. My dating is on the outside. Cotermenus is down on the inside. Is Marty Ryan C. Princess. In between horses is Never Say Goodbye. Petronas comes next. Extraordinary. Chevron, while Gale Force is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, Cotermenus. My dating is on the outside. Never Say Goodbye in third is Marty Ryan C. Princess. Extraordinary Viva Andres. Then comes Petronas, Gale Force, while Chevron now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Cotermenus. C. Princess is on the outside. My dating in between horses comes Never Say Goodbye. Then comes Petronas. In between horses is Marty Ryan, Extraordinary Viva Andres, Gale Force, while Chevron now racing in less. At the far turn, we have Cotermenus maintaining a length and a half lead. C. Princess in 7, Never Say Goodbye, and down on the inside, Extraordinary Chevron, Viva Andres, My dating, Petronas, Gale Force. As they swing for home, we have Cotermenus maintaining a length and a half lead. Extraordinary is on the outside. Cotermenus followed by Extraordinary on the outside. Cotermenus, Extraordinary, Cotermenus, Extraordinary, and finally Sacron's finish. Cotermenus, Extraordinary, Chevron, C. Princess, Gale Force, and Petronas for your Super 6.
2, 3, 8, 10, 1, 5.